September 13, 2012. 5 year highs on the Dow Jones. 5 year highs going back to 2007 with the FOMC meeting announcement with full injections with QE3. Up, up, up we go. In the shorter term, with this rally is a 12-year downtrend in other indexes is trying to get broken, meaning that we've had a hangover for about 12 years in these markets. Yes, the QE3 has a lot of views to it, but the Dow is making 5 year highs in anticipation of it. I will show the Dow here now at 156 at 13,490. We said that the Dow could come back up here. This is where the financial crisis started. The thing about it is, all the money that's on the sideline can push that Dow and continue to push that Dow because most people are underperforming. Now, the Federal Reserve has said a lot today, and I mean a lot. And one of it is how they're going to take those rates and keep them down until year 2015, and $40 billion a month in purchases of mortgage-backed securities. And this is a bull breakout. It is 5 year highs right here in this weekly candle. When you get back over here to where the financial crisis started, and remember, from where we were from the financial crisis that started, it's taken QE3 and a whole lot of other things. We believe that QE3 is more political than anything else, and that there will be a meeting that's going to start in about 14 minutes with Mr. Bernanke. He's going to lay out why he's done what he's done. He's going to make it where that money off that sideline, if you're going to get a yield and you're going to get a return, this is where the whole plan, many years, as I have said, was how do we get the rest of the world back into the equity market? This is how they do it. Let me tell you what, if you want to keep your money in a CD, it's not going to do you any good. Now listen, stimuluses is you never fight the Fed. You never fight stimuluses. Worldwide bankers around the world will follow Mr. Bernanke today. You don't, like we always said, you let the bull go. It's a bull. Does it mean that a lot of people are participating in it? I never said that because there is not. Most of the people are underperforming on a yearly compounded level. They've been scared to death about these markets, have been uncertain about who's going to be the president, and lots of things going on around the world. We are in a bull run. We have a new round of stimuluses that will help this bull. But I will caution people right now that in the very short term of this announcement, and where we're at, this is 2012 right here, 13,493. This is 2007 over here where I'm showing in the video where the whole mess started. And it's been 5 years to get it back to this level. And it's taken stimuluses beyond stimuluses to get here. Will there be pullbacks in the markets for you to get in? Yes. You don't want to be buying up here at the very high of the cycle. That's where people chase the highs now. You're going to have to wait and go through this calendar year and check the spots that you're going to want to be involved in. Because right now, price volatility off of the announcement is that money that was on the sideline and the short sellers are getting squeezed right now. That's fueling this higher. Here's that resistance level. And we can continue to go higher. But this is going to be that level. There's another trend line that I have over here that goes right slightly below. This is the weekly 12/9 of 2007 at 13,611.65 area, right here where my pointer is. That's where it really started tanking. First it had its move down, then it had its pop, but this is the one that we're focusing on, this trend line right here. And in this area. And I'm just showing it this way to you, MMTs, so that you can see where this weekly breakout on the Dow is and what's fueling that as far as the Fed goes. and the announcements goes. And it's everything that we've been training you on. Everything that we said is going to happen has happened. The problem, the cautionary problem, I will tell anybody, is that you're reaching a very overbought cycle within this whole rally that started in June of 2012. And it's carried through up until this FOMC announcement today, 9/13 of 2012. So we're long into this bull rally. And when they get too overbought, as we've always pointed out, they have to pull back. That's the time you're going to want to look at what will my engagement be in the broader market? Do I need to get the kind of training to be involved in these kind of markets? There's a lot of things that you have to think about. But remember, the stock market was for U.S. citizens to benefit and offset their income from their regular working jobs. That is, if they have a job these days. But 5-year bull highs on the Dow. FOMC announcement is out. It's nice to see it go up, but we must understand what the artificial aspects and the repercussions of the announcement today and where we're at going into the rest of the month of September. That once again, every bull rally can get to a very extreme overbought process, and we're entering that phase. Beware.